Welcome to my channel. Engine repair costs in 2026 explained, how to avoid expensive repairs. Step 1. Never ignore the check engine light. If the check engine light comes on, don't wait. A small issue can quickly turn into an expensive engine repair if left untreated. Step 2. Change engine oil on time. Fresh engine oil keeps all moving parts lubricated and reduces wear. Follow the oil change schedule recommended for your vehicle. Step 3. Check coolant levels regularly. Low coolant can cause the engine to overheat, leading to serious damage. Make sure the coolant stays at the proper level. Step 4. Replace air filters when needed. A clean air filter helps your engine breathe properly. Replacing a dirty filter improves performance and fuel efficiency. Step 5. Listen for unusual engine noises. Knocking, ticking, or grinding sounds may indicate engine trouble. Have unusual noises checked before they become major repairs. Step 6. Fix small problems early. Minor oil leaks, loose belts, or worn hoses are much cheaper to repair than a damaged engine. Address small issues as soon as possible. Step 7. Use high-quality fuel. Using the fuel grade recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer helps the engine run efficiently and reduces long-term wear. Step 8. Keep up with regular maintenance. Routine maintenance like spark plug replacement, fluid checks, and inspections helps prevent unexpected engine failures. Step 9. Avoid aggressive driving. Rapid acceleration, hard braking, and high-speed driving put extra stress on the engine. Smooth driving helps extend engine life. Step 10. Get repairs from a trusted mechanic. Choose a qualified repair shop for inspections and repairs. Professional maintenance can catch problems early and save you thousands in future repair costs. Thanks for watching.